share a super easy and delicious fried chicken burger recipe that has so much flavor to it. It is simple and comforting meal that brings the whole family together. Whenever my sisters come over, I make this recipe for them a few times by now and they really enjoyed it. So I really wanted to share this with you as well, see if you guys like it as much as we do. So let's just get to the recipe and see what we have in here. Alright, so our first ingredient is chicken breast, okay? And I really have a special way of marination because I don't want that chicken smell. So what I do, I wash it first, put garlic, vinegar, and lemon, keep it in the fridge overnight, and you're good to go. There's no more smell to it. Like I said, we got chicken breast, only 1 piece, cornstarch, 1 teaspoon, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, black pepper, 1 teaspoon, paprika, 1 teaspoon, turmeric, half teaspoon, pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 whole egg, 1/3 cup milk, half a cup all-purpose flour. Alright, so these are my ingredients, and I have another one secret one, how to make your chicken more crispy. So keep watching until the end and find out what is that ingredient. We're gonna cut the chicken into thin slices. And then we're gonna put it in the Ziploc bag and use a tool that you have at home. We're just gonna hammer it down just to get that tenderness. Perfect. So in a mixing bowl, we're just gonna add the chicken slices, 1 beaten egg, some milk, and some salt. So we're going to mix it and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and we're good. So in a mixing bowl, we're gonna add the ingredients, starting with flour, cayenne pepper, paprika, turmeric, garlic powder, cornstarch, black pepper, some salt, and we are going to mix. Alright, so it is time to add the secret ingredient. Any guesses? Do you guys know what it is? We are going to add can we come in? We're going to add this. It's gonna make it really crispy, and don't worry about the brands. Doesn't matter which one you're gonna use. We're gonna add this one. Alright, so I guess it's time for some ASMR, right? There we go. So tasty. First I'm just gonna I always wanted to do this. Just gonna break it. Oh, that's so fun. Perfect. They are crushed. And now we're gonna add it. Alright, so now it's time to mix all the ingredients together. As soon as it's mixed, we're just gonna pour everything into a plate, a flat plate. It's amazing. Alright, so we got the chicken here. It's been marinated for about 5 to 10 minutes. we're just gonna coat it with this goodness that we made just now. Usually I do use my hands because it's kind of messy. So today I'm just gonna use the tongs, which is really okay. It's not going to be as messy as before. Alright, so we got one down. We're gonna do the rest of the chicken and we're gonna go to fry them. Alright, so you're gonna grab your pan from wherever you're hiding it. Heat to the max, oil. I'm using canola oil. So just be sure to get rid of the excess. And just mix it. So just make sure you coat everything evenly. It's gonna give you a nice crunch. To make it more crispier, you can double dip it. Alright, so I'm gonna try my sister's trick and see if my oil is warm. I think it's almost ready, but I'm just gonna wait maybe 2 more minutes and we're good to go. Alright, so the oil is heated and I'm going to add the chicken. We are going to fry this goodness. Ooh. While the meat is frying, I'm just gonna add some mayo. Just gonna make a little sauce here, and I'm gonna add the mayo and Nando sauce. Very good spicy sauce. If you guys are looking for something good, this is the one. So we're just gonna mix it and we're gonna put it in our ciabatta bread. Ciabatta bread is being toasted. Alright, so everything is ready and we are going to dress up the sandwich. I am using ciabatta bread, which is really tasty with these sandwiches. So I have my sauce here. And we're gonna dress it with some spinach, or if you have lettuce, that works really good with it. We're gonna put the chicken, the crispy chicken on top, and we're gonna top it up with some tomatoes. That looks really beautiful. And we have our bread. Hey guys, so this is the final look of this beautiful sandwich. I hope you guys try this out. Let me know as well if you do. Tag me on my Instagram as @life1. This was really simple and at the same time it's not really time consuming. This is for days that you don't want to cook too much, you don't want to spend so much time in the kitchen, so this is your recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next video, bye bye. I think someone...
What's going on here? Oh, there's a sandwich! I'm gonna try this out, you guys. Don't mind if I do. It's from my mouth. Wow. Crispy, full of flavor, delicious. It's just exactly what you want a burger or a sandwich to be. So you guys, don't mind. Hold the camera. Alright guys, so you guys have to excuse me. I had to take that sandwich and I had to go eat it in my little corner. It was that good. What I could say is the flavors were top notch. I had KFC, Popeyes sandwich before, and I really like them. I'm gonna be honest, I like them. But this one is like really, really good too. If you wanna go out, you don't wanna eat out, and you wanna eat something at home, make it at home, make it yourself. It's really easy, and I loved it. And I wanna thank my bae for making it and making it so flavorful and putting her heart into it. I loved it, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it too. I hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, please tag her. It's Sahar's Life 1, so it's Sahar's Life 1. I don't have Instagram, but she does, so Sahar's Life 1, that's her Instagram, and you guys know it, the YouTube channel. And if you guys can, it's gonna really help, is leave a like, and after you leave a like, you go to the subscribe, and you subscribe. So you do that, and then after you're done the subscription, then you go to notification bell. So that's a little bell, you hit the bell too. So you have to do like 3 things for us. So good luck with that, and yeah, we're gonna be putting more content out there, and I hope you guys like it. And she'll see you guys next time, right? You're gonna see them next time, or should I see them next time? She's gonna see you guys next time.
Let's just ask them if they want to see you cooking, maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. If you guys want to see me more, I could be in the camera more, but leave it in the comment section, and then you guys decide. Because if you guys don't want to see me, I'll just hide behind the camera.
I'm sure they want to see you because you're a good cook.
Well, my mom wants to see me. I don't know about anybody else.
No, I'm sure everybody wants to see you.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Take it easy. Wish you all the best. Bye.